Hi there, I'm Shrey and I'll be teaching the fundamentals of acting on camera here at HCAC. And here are 3 tips for you for acting on camera. So, tip number 1, know everybody on set and what they do. When you turn up on set and you're working for a few days, it's good to get a sense of what everybody's doing so that you can start building those relationships. Because trust me, when the DOP, and the DOP is someone who is managing cinematography, who plans creatively all the shots, if that person knows who you are and you're friends with them, they're going to want to make you look good. Tip number 2, always be prepared. Now this includes not just learning your lines, but knowing all the beats of your characters thoroughly. Because as you know, on film, you're going to shoot it out of sequence. So you need to know exactly where your character is at any given point in time. And trust me, because there's a lot of waiting on set, you've got to be snappy and ready to go. Tip number 3, always be mindful of hitting your mark well and knowing your continuity. Now this includes where you're putting your hands, where are you holding the cup and putting it down, because a lot of sets, especially in Singapore, might not have a script supervisor. You will learn what a script supervisor does as well in this workshop, but basically you have to know your continuity in and out so that there are no errors in your work. So make sure that if you want to learn all these little tips and tricks, come to the Fundamentals of Acting on Camera workshop here at HCAC.